Hello student, in this video we are going to start fourth method. The name of method is determination of profit and loss sharing ratio when some clues are given. And after determination of profit and loss ratio, profit divided between partner. We have seen that when profit sharing ratio is not given in the example, it is not possible to calculate, means clues are not available. In that case, divisible profit divided among partner in their same proportion or equal proportion. But students, sometimes some clues are given to determine profit sharing ratio. In that case, profit cannot be distributed between partner in their equal ratio. Profit distributed between partner according to profit sharing ratio, which is possible in example. So let us take exercise which is given in our textbook, page number 31, exercise 3.5. So students, open your textbook and see page number 31, exercise 3.5. Here Mehta receives his share 4 times of Pandya. Means Mehta received 4 times share of Pandya, while Bajpai received half share of Mehta. Third partner Bajpai received half of Mehta's share. Profit of the firm at the end of the year is 87,500. Total profit is given. Determine the share in profit of each partner. Here we are required to calculate how much amount of profit received by Mehta, how much amount of profit received by Pandya, and third partner Bajpai. So this profit is divided between partner in their profit sharing ratio. And remember that here profit sharing ratio is possible because some clues are given, right? So first of all, Mehta received his share of 4 times of Pandya. So here we assume that, suppose Pandya gets profit of rupees 1. Just assumption, Pandya gets 1, and from Pandya's share we can get Mehta's share, because Mehta received 4 times share of Pandya. Mehta gets 4 times of Pandya share. So Mehta gets profit of rupees 4. Understand? Pandya 1, Mehta 4, because 4 times of Pandya. And now Bajpai received half share of Mehta. Bajpai received half of Mehta. Half of Mehta यानी half of 4. Now Bajpai gets half share of Mehta. So Bajpai gets rupees 2. How to get 2? Half of 4. So what is profit sharing ratio? So profit and loss ratio is 1:4:2 between first partner Pandya second partner Mehta and Bajpai. Understand? So this is our first step, calculation of profit sharing ratio. Now divisible profit is already given, 87,500. So 87,500 divided between 3 partners in their profit sharing ratio. So finally, distribution of profit, right? Distribution of profit. First partner Pandya 87,500 into 1 by 7. Mehta 87,500 into 4 by 7. And Bajpai 87,500 into 2 by 7. Now make simplification, right? So I'm making simplification, right? Pandya, first is Pandya. Pandya gets profit of rupees 12,500. Second partner Mehta gets profit of rupees 50,000. And third partner Bajpai gets profit of rupees 25,000. So this is your final distribution of profit. Understand? Let us take another example. Illustration 5, page number 17. So student, open your textbook, page number 17, illustration 5. Are you getting? Okay. In this illustration, three partners are given: Riya, Dilip and Kirtan. The share of Kirtan is 1/5, 1 by 5 of Dilip, and share of Riya is double the share of Kirtan. So be careful here condition. Determine the amount of profit of each partner, same as the previous example. If the profit of the year was 1,92,000, right? So here, as per condition, we are required to assume first Kirtan share rupees 1, right? Suppose Kirtan share in profit rupees 1. Understand? Kirtan 1 according to condition. Now the Riya is double, share of Riya is double than Kirtan. Riya gets double share of Kirtan. So Riya gets profit rupees 2. Riya share profit is 2. And now the share of Kirtan is the share of Kirtan is 1/5 of share of Dilip. Kirtan share is 1/5 of Dilip. Means Dilip get 5 times more profit than Kirtan, right? So Kirtan share in profit is 1/5 of Dilip. Understand? Dilip. So Dilip gets 5 times of Kirtan. 5 times of Kirtan. So Dilip share in profit rupees 5. How to get 5? 1 into 5. Dilip get 5 times of Kirtan 1. 5 times of 1, that is 5. So profit and loss ratio between profit and loss ratio is 1:2:5 between 3 partners. Who are 3 partners? Kirtan, Riya and Dilip. Understand? Now divisible profit divided between partner in the ratio of 1:2:5. What is divisible profit? The divisible profit is 1,92,000. So distribution of profit. First partner Kirtan, 1,92,000 into 1 by 8. Right? Second partner Riya share. So 1,92,000 into 2 by 8. and third partner Dilip 1,92,000 into 5 by 8, right? So by making calculation, by making simplification, first partner Ketan gets 24,000 profit, second partner Riya gets 1,90,000 by 8, 48,000 profit, and third partner Dilip gets 5 by 8. 5 by 8 means 1,20,000. Understand? So this is calculation of profit sharing. So be careful here. Clue are most important thing. Clues. From the clues we can calculate profit sharing ratio. Let us take another example. Exercise 4. 4 means 3.4. Page number 31. Here 5 means, okay, illustration 5. This exercise, very simple exercise. Here no need to determine profit sharing ratio, because here profit sharing ratio is clearly given in the example. Instead of some clues, profit sharing ratio is given, right? The profit sharing ratio of Rajkumar, Kaushik and Sharma 15:10:9. Students, open your textbook, page number 31, exercise 3.4. Profit sharing ratio is given and total profit of the year is given 68,000. Determine the share in profit of each partner. So here this calculation is not required. No need to calculation of determining profit sharing ratio, because profit sharing ratio is given. We have to directly apply last step, distribution of profit. So distribution of profit is equal to distribution of profit heading, right? Now one by one partner. First partner is Rajkumar, second partner Kaushik, and third partner Sharma, right? Total divisible profit is clearly given 68,000. So 68,000 into 15 divided by 15 divided by 34. How to get 34? The ratio is 15:10:9. So total 34. Second partner Kaushik 68,000 into 10 by 34, and third partner Sharma 68,000 into 9 by 34. Right? So here answer is 30,000. Here answer is 20,000, and here answer is 18,000 according to profit sharing ratio. Understand? Okay, thank you very much.